Breaking news in the AI world that's about to blow your mind. China just dropped a nuclear bomb in the AI race, and it's called DeepSeek V3. Forget everything you know about open source AI because this beast is rewriting the rules. Imagine ChatGPT's capabilities, but free and running on your own hardware. That's just the beginning. Picture this, 671 billion parameters of pure AI power, crushing giants like Meta and OpenAI in head-to-head battles. And the craziest part? They built this monster for just $5.5 million. That's pocket change in the AI world. Let me show you why this is absolutely insane. First off, this AI is demolishing every benchmark it touches. In coding challenges? It's not even fair. DeepSeek V3 is smoking competitors like Meta's Llama and OpenAI's latest models. We're talking about an AI that can write complex code, integrate it seamlessly into existing systems, and even understand what it's doing. But here's where it gets really interesting. Remember those NVIDIA H800 GPUs that the US banned China from getting? Well, these mad scientists at DeepSeek somehow trained this beast in just 2 months using those exact chips. The audacity is off the charts. Now let's talk about what this means for you. Imagine having access to an AI that's been trained on 14.8 trillion tokens. That's like giving it the entire internet to study. It's not just another chatbot. This thing can handle everything from complex programming to creative writing that'll make your jaw drop. And the best part? It's open source. That means developers can actually download, modify, and use it commercially. This isn't some watered-down public version. We're talking about the real deal. Behind this game-changing AI stands Highflyer Capital Management, rocking a server cluster with 10,000 NVIDIA A100 GPUs. That's not a typo, 10,000. Their founder, Liang Wenfeng, is out here throwing shade at OpenAI, saying their closed-source advantage is just temporary. And you know what? Looking at DeepSeek V3's performance, he might be right. The implications are massive. We're witnessing the democratization of advanced AI in real time. This isn't just another model release. It's a revolution in what's possible with open-source AI. The benchmarks are insane, the capabilities are mind-blowing, and the potential applications are endless. We're talking about technology that could completely transform how we approach development, content creation, and problem-solving. But here's the real kicker. While companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are building walls around their AI, DeepSeek is handing out the keys to the kingdom. This is like getting a Formula One car for the price of a bicycle. The impact on the developer community is going to be astronomical. Think about it. Whether you're building the next big app, creating content, or solving complex coding problems, having access to this level of AI power changes everything. And the best part? This is just the beginning. The model's architecture is so innovative that we're only scratching the surface of its potential. But hey, don't just take my word for it. The numbers speak for themselves. The model is crushing benchmarks left and right, showing that open source AI can not only compete with, but potentially surpass closed source alternatives. If you're as mind blown by this as I am, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We're going to be diving deep into DeepSeek V3's capabilities in upcoming videos. Drop a comment telling me what you think about this AI revolution. Are we witnessing the beginning of the end for closed source AI dominance? Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI breakthroughs. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Join our community of tech enthusiasts as we explore this brave new world of AI together.